Hey, what's up, Aaron? Welcome to Profited Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to generate images utilizing Python API, especially the AI API. Okay, so the previous part. If you check out my prerequisite thing, the video I've done a lot of videos related to generative AI. Okay, explaining how you can generate the text, how you can get the MCQ, and some of the stuffs, which will be helpful, especially machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Okay, so please do watch that. It will be very much helpful. So in this, I'm going a step ahead, and the main reason for generative AI is to integrate with this Python for visualization. Okay, whether it can be any topic which you are looking for, otherwise, especially for financial sentiment analysis. Okay, so all of the things are there. So straight away, I just go with the code. So I just start with the import request. So I won't utilize any of the library available. Okay, I'm gonna create my own. So request for HTTP method for CRUD operation and get port post put patch delete for that purpose. And then I'll go with import URL lib. Okay, so to parse the prompt easily and to get each and everything. And one more thing is there, that is import pil. Okay, so this is for your image manipulation, so this is important, so do install these packages. Okay, and if we go with the prompt, so first of all I just set this in a variable, and we'll give this letter. And the main prompt, such as we should go for the safe prompt, and we are doing this without the API key. Okay, so this is important, so we'll say URL lib. Okay, dot parse dot code. Okay, and here we have to give the prompt. Okay, so you can automate the stuff, you can give it in this module as well, so it will definitely generate image as per your wish. And sometimes there are limitations are there, so you need, if you are getting error, just wait for a few seconds, then go once again. Okay, so just do try. So this will be your image generation, that is image dot pollinations. Okay, so this can be done without the API key as well. Okay, and you can add the API key as to get some of the credits, or otherwise you can go with these things. So we just add with the safe prompt. Okay, here, and we will give it some of the, say, width and height. Okay, in which resolution we are looking for our image. So mine is simple, I want to go with the horizontal, and this is the standard width and height for an image. Okay, so we have to give it this, and we have to give it as certain logo will appear, so we have to say no logo equals true, and we have to give a seed as well. Okay, so seed we can say as 42. Okay, so this will be enough, and we need to close this. And after we will go our response, so we have to say response, okay, equals request dot get URL, and we have to say stream equals true. Okay, so this is how I'm going, and this is kind of open AI model which I'm utilizing. So image bytes, and whatever the response will be there, we have to say response dot content. Okay, and here the next part will be image underscore bytes. Okay, and we have to go with the query, and we have to say about the prompt. Okay, so query should be in parentheses, and as the prompt which we are trying, and the query as of right now, I think it is not rated since we are not defining in the module, but you can ask for the query and prompt in this way as well. So next thing we have to give is we have to open this image. For that reason we are calling this IO. So easily you can open this image here itself, instead of going somewhere else and opening third party application. Just say this way, dot bytes, okay, IO and image underscore bytes, okay, and just each and everything is closed, I hope. And in simple way you just have to get display image, okay. So we just check that everything is good, and we will just try to add the prompt, okay. So we can say that anything, you know we can say as horse eating the grass, okay. So we can say this, and let's see what we are getting here. And I hope everything is good, and if not we'll come back and correct this stuff. So image score bytes display. So let's go with this stuff. So here we are getting some issues from PIL import. Okay, so this will be capital. Okay, now we'll run once again. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, it is kind of a generative, and especially it is giving good quality of images. So definitely we can utilize. So literally it is transferring whatever we got. Okay, and we can say has beehive, and let's see what we are getting here. So sometimes it will try to get you an issue or error, so better wait for few seconds then go for another generation, okay. So we'll wait for it until the response arrives. Okay, so as you can see, this is a beehive, so you can check it out. And we can ask for one more, that is butterfly. So it is kind of when you're looking for the image, it is the image which we are getting a quite a good resolution, and this gives a lot of things opens to, like an automation part where we can generate the image, add the text, and we can do some of the voiceover, okay. So that kind of a things, it will be helpful. And if you check my shorts, I upload some of the news with the help of these things, okay. So as of right now, check it out to try this code, okay. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.